Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm going to do one of the Instant Pot recipes that I prepared for Katie, but I'm going to make a portion of it here at the house for Dennis and I for dinner, Dennis and me for dinner. So the first thing I'm making is, or the thing I'm making today is the easy Instant Pot Bang Bang shrimp pasta that I found on Pinterest. And it says that I need dry spaghetti, garlic, oil, water, shrimp, mayonnaise, Thai chili sauce, lime juice, sriracha, scallions. I'm going to use onions and salt and pepper. So the first thing I'm going to do, it says break the spaghetti noodles in half and place in the Instant Pot. I'm just going to take a portion of noodles, however much I think that we will eat. And I will try to remember to link it below the recipe. If I don't, please remind me. Okay, I think that looks good. And then I'm going to put water in here. The recipe calls for 4.5 cups. I don't know if I'll use that much. And my Instant Pot has a measurer on the side so I can see how much I'm putting in there. Because I'm not using as much noodles as they said, I'm not using quite as much water either. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here, or oil in here. I guess I should let you guys see this, but there's not much to see right yet, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to add my garlic to that. Let's see. Some salt, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 4 minutes on high. So let's see, I need some salt. And I'm using the Private Selection pink Himalayan salt and some garlic. So I'm just going to use my minced garlic. Just some of this. And I'm going to put the lid on it. And when I come back, I'll have a better setup, hopefully, for the camera so you can see a little bit more. But there's not much to see this time anyway. Make sure it's on seal. And then I'm going to manual for 4 minutes. And I'm gonna let it go and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so that was really fast, and it says to go ahead and let it out manually, so we'll do that. And I don't have sriracha, which is what it calls for. I don't particularly care for that, so I'm gonna use this red hot buffalo sauce that I have. Ooh, it's getting stuff everywhere. Oh, it says to mix this in a medium bowl, but you know what? I'm just going to mix it together. Okay. Holy cow, that's so cool. The noodles are looking like they're done. That is so crazy to me. I don't know how it can cook it so fast, but it sure does. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, I think I'll use a wooden spoon. And it says to mix mayonnaise, and sriracha, or not sriracha, sweet chili sauce. And some lime juice, not very much lime juice though. And some hot sauce, and that's to taste, really. Well, now you probably can't even see it. The light isn't so great in here, is it? I wonder if I turn it the other way. Maybe. Is that better? Maybe a little. You can see what it looks like. Then it says to go ahead and add the shrimp and the onions. So I have my onions here. I washed them. And I was just gonna chop them with my, or yeah, I guess chop them, I don't know, with my kitchen shears. And then I'll add my shrimp and then turn it on sauté. And it says to cook it for 2 or 3 minutes. Shrimp. And then now I'm going to put it on sauté. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. It's pretty thick still right now, but I think it'll get thicker as it heats up again and then cools. So I'm just going to let it do its thing for 2 or 3 minutes. As it said, I don't need to put the lid on it while it's sauteing. And then it says, taste it and then salt and pepper as needed and add more sriracha as needed. So that's what I will do. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and hopefully you guys can see this. I mean, look, the shrimp are already done. Takes no time. So I'm going to make sure it's boiling, which it is. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and I'm going to let it thicken for a little bit, I think. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It smells really good.